Hello and welcome. Now take a look at the crude oil market, as this is the bigger picture that we are working from many days, that we work on this you can say H4 trend channel, and market is hovering according to that scenario. And in the previous days, 2 to 3 days before, I suggest that unless the market is holding below that area, it have ability to test the 87 level market, make a test and make a pull up. You will see my previous analysis that when the H4 candle close above this EMA 50 and also market hold above the 89.50 level, I suggest you that our first target is 94.60 level. And yesterday at that time I am also suggesting that market will complete this 94.560 level. So now what happened? Now the situation is that market break this 94.60 level and hold above that area. So my suggestion is that unless the market is holding above the 93.30, you can say, level, and cannot close the H4 candle below that area, the overall trend is bullish. And our further next first target is for today is you can say 96.53 or 97 level, as after that some scalper may come out from the market and market take a retracement. But the good buying opportunities are from 94.60 level, and you will or 93.48 level, and you will continues this wave up to the 99.24 level, because you will notice that market cannot be able to make the lower lows from that area, and now market is able to break the previous high of 94.60 level. So this is you can say the trend changing situation. Maybe some fluctuation due to the news is possible, but overall the trend is now generating in the upside direction, and hopefully in the upcoming hours or in this week may market test the 99.24 level, as in the bullish direction is continuously going on. So thanks for watching. Levels are in front of you. You will trade by on your own self. Thanks for watching.